So third equation here, x square by 49 plus y square by 36 here. Compare it here. A square is a 49 and b square is a 36 here. Square root of 49 is a 7 and the square root of 36 is a 6 here. Obviously A is a greater than B here. Okay. Even here also x axis is the major axis here. So length of the major axis here 2 into 7 here. 7 2s are 14. B value 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12 here. And the eccentricity is 1 minus. So 36 divided by 49. Then 49 is the LCM here. So 49 ones are 49 minus of 36 that is equal to, so 4 minus 3 is 1 here. 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 49 here. Therefore eccentricity is root of 13 divided by 7 here. So eccentricity is a root of 13 divided by 7. Then foci plus or minus A into E here. A value 7. So 7 into root of 13 divided by 7 here, comma 0. Therefore, so this is equal to plus or minus 7 7 cancels root of 13 here. Root of 13 comma 0. A into E is root of 13 here. Then the length of the little term 2 into B square. B square is 36 here divided by A value 7. Therefore this is equal to 36 into 2 here. 72 divided by 7. The equations of the letter are written here. Plus or minus A into E. E value A into E is the root of 13 here. It is the root of 13. Then direct test is x equal to plus or minus A into E. A upon E. So plus or minus A value 7 divided by E value root 13 divided by 7 here. Take the 7 into numerator here, plus or minus 49 divided by root of 13. Then the coordinates of ends of letter recta. So A into E value root 13 here, root of 13. Then plus or minus B square 36, A value 7 here, 36 by 7. 36 divided by 7, and here also minus of root 13 plus or minus so 36 divided by 7, and the distance between the foci 2 into E, A into E is root 13 here, therefore 2 root of 13 here. Then the distance between direct traces 2 into A value 7 here. So write here 7 divided by E value root 13 by 7. So root of 13 divided by 7 here. 7 goes to numerator. 7 sevens are 49 into 12. 98. So 98 divided by 13 here. 98 divided by root of 13. This gives the distance between direct traces here. In the fourth example, 4x square plus 9y square to 36 here. So this is a standard equation here. Here we want right side 1 So dividing both sides by 36 here. Dividing both sides by 36, we get a 4x square divided by 36 plus 9y square divided by 36 is equal to 36 divided by 36 here. Dividing both sides by 36 here. Therefore, x square divided by 4 ones are 4 nines are 36 here plus y square divided by 9 ones are 9 fours are 36 cancels here. 36 and 36 cancels. So remaining is 1 here. Therefore, comparing these two equations here, so a square is a 9 and b square is a 4 here. A value is a 3 and b value is a 2. Again, a is greater than b. A value is 3, b value is 2. A greater than b. Therefore, length of the major axis is 2a. Then 2 into 3 here gives 6 here. 2 into b. 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 here. Then the eccentricity is 1 minus half. So 4 divided by 9 here. So 9 LCM, 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 4 becomes 5. Therefore, eccentricity is root 5 divided by 3 here. Root 5 divided by 3 is the eccentricity here. Then foci plus or minus a value 3 here into e value root 5 divided by 3 comma 0. 3 cancels here. Therefore, plus or minus root of 5 comma 0. And the length of the letter sectum 2b square by 8. So b square value 4 here divided by a value is 3. Therefore 4 2s are 8. So 8 divided by 3. Then equations of letter of letter. So you know a into e is root of 5. Therefore you can write here plus or minus root of 5. Then the direct axis, equations of direct axis are plus or minus a upon e. A value 3 and e value root 5 by 3. Root 5 divided by 3. So 3 goes to numerator here plus or minus 9 divided by root of 5. 9 by root 5. Then the coordinates of ends of the letter are written. So into a into e is the root of 5 here. Therefore root of 5 plus or minus b square 4 a value 3 here 4 upon 3. So right here 4 by 3 and here minus a into e gives a minus of root 5. Minus root 5 and a plus or minus 4 divided by 3. Ends of the letter are at distance between foci to AE 2 into root of 5. Distance between the direct traces here 2 into a value 3 divided by eccentricity is root 5 by 3. Root 5 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18 here. 18 divided by root 5 is the answer here. So the equation of ellipse is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16x minus 18y minus 11 equal to 0. First you simplify this one and write the equation in the standard form here. Here write 4x square 16x means x terms in one bracket here. 4x square plus 16x. Write x terms in one bracket here. And y terms in another bracket. So 9y square minus of 18y and take minus 11 right hand side here. It becomes plus 11 here. Here you can take 4 common factor and here 9 is the common factor. So 4 into bracket x square plus 4x here plus 9 common factor here, y square minus 2y is equal to 11. Now make these terms as a perfect square. Make it as a perfect square. Therefore 4 here. Then write x square plus 4x, write as it is here. In this case, x coefficient is 4. Half of 4 means divided by 12. Divide this term by 2 and take its square here. Okay, x coefficient is 4. Make it half. Means divided by 12. And the square of that number. 4 upon 2 gives 2 square. 2 square becomes 4. So adding and subtracting 4 in this bracket here. In this bracket, adding 4 and subtracting 4 here. Okay, then write here plus 9 into y square minus of 2y. Y coefficient is 2 here. Make it a half. Means divided by 2 here. And the square of that number here. 2 cancels 1. 1 square is 1 here. Adding 1 and subtracting 1 here. So adding 1, subtracting 1 is equal to 11 here. That is equal to 11. Then 4 into. Here these 3 terms can be written as x plus 2 whole square here. Minus of 4. Then plus here. Again 9 into. Okay, right here 9 into bracket y square minus 2y plus 1 is y minus 1 whole square here. Y minus 1 whole square minus of 1 is equal to 11 here. Then take this 4 inside and 9 inside here. So 4 into x plus 2 whole square minus 4 4s are 16 here. Then plus 9 into y minus 1 whole square minus of 9 is equal to 11 here. Take a minus 16 and minus 9 right side here. So 4 into x plus 2 whole square. Then plus 9 into y minus 1 whole square is equal to, so right here 16 plus 9 plus 11 plus 11. Therefore 4 into x plus 2 whole square plus 9 into y minus 1 whole square. So 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 11 becomes 36 here. These are 36. Then dividing both sides by 36 here. Dividing both sides by 36. We get 4 into x plus 2, it's a square here, divided by 36, then a plus here. Then 9 into y minus 1 whole square divided by 36 is equal to 36 divided by 36. Then the 4 ones are 4 9s are cancelled here. X plus 2 is there. We can write x minus of minus 2 here. It's a square here divided by 9. Then plus 9 ones are 9 4s are cancelled here. So y minus 1 whole square divided by 4 is equal to 1 here. Is equal to 1. Then comparing this equation with this equation with x minus h whole square, x minus h whole square divided by a square, then the plus y minus k whole square divided by b square is equal to 1 here. Let's compare it here. H value minus 2 here. H is equal to minus 2 and K is equal to 1 here. So right here 1. A square is equal to 9. A square is equal to 9 and B square is equal to 4. Therefore A value 3 here and B value 2, and in this case A is greater than B, A greater than B. Therefore length of the major axis here 2 into 3 becomes 6 here. Length of the minor axis 2 into B here, 2 into 2 gives 4 here, and eccentricity E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square. Therefore 1 minus of B square is 4 and A square is 9 here. That is 9 LCM. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 4 becomes 5. Therefore eccentricity is root of 5 divided by 3. Root 5 divided by 3 is the eccentricity. Then foci. Here in this case center is other than origin here. Therefore here adding H and adding a K here. In this case foci is given by AE plus H comma K. Therefore this is equal to plus or minus A value here. A value is 3 here. A value is 3. Okay. E value root 5 by 3. 3 and 3 cancels here. Then the remaining is root of 5 here. So plus or minus root of 5. Take only plus H here. So plus H value minus 2 here. So minus plus into minus becomes minus of 2 and K value 1. It is 1 here. Plus or minus root 5 minus 2 here. A into E. A value 3. E value this here. 3 cancels. Remaining is root 5 and H value is minus of 2 and K value plus 1. Then the length of the letter circle is 2B square by A. Therefore 2 into B square is 4 here and A value is 3. These are 3. Therefore 4 2s are 8. 8 divided by 3. Equations of letter circle. Here X is there. So adding H. Adding H. Therefore this is equal to plus or minus A into E. A value is this. E value is this one. So root of 5 plus H value minus 2 here. So it is a minus of 3. So minus 2. Then equation on directrix adding H here. Therefore plus or minus A value 3 divided by E value root 5 by 3 here. And H value is minus of 2. Take 3 to numerator here. Therefore plus or minus 9 divided by root 5 minus of 2. Then the coordinates of ends of the letter are rectangle. So adding H and adding K. So adding H and K. AE plus H. Then the plus or minus B square divided by A plus K. That is equal to. Okay. So again A into E is the root of 5. So root 5. H value minus 2 here. So it is the minus 2 comma plus or minus B square is 4 here divided by A value is 3. So write here 3 and K value 1 here. So it is plus 1 here. Therefore this is equal to root 5 minus of 2 here. Then take a first time plus sign here and the second time minus sign. Okay. So you can simplify. What happens here if you take a plus sign? Then the 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 4 becomes a 7. So 7 divided by 3. And root 5 minus 2. Keep as it is here. Comma. Take a minus here. 3 ones are 3. Minus 4 plus 3 becomes a minus 1 here. So minus of 1 divided by 3. If you take a plus sign, we get 7 by 3. If you take a minus sign, we get a minus 1 upon 3. So these are a pair of what I say of heads of the letter sector. Similarly, one more pair is given by, so minus of E into E plus H plus always B square upon A plus K. In this case, minus root of 5. Minus of root 5. Okay. The minus of root of 5. Actually is a minus 2. And one time we take plus 7 upon 3. And one more time root of 5 minus 2 minus of 1 upon 3. So there are 4 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total these are the 4 points. Ends of the letters of letter. Then the distance between foci. So you know A into E. A into E is the root of 5. Root of 5. Therefore, so 2 root 5. 2 root of 5. Distance between foci. Distance between the direct traces here. Okay. So 2 into again A value 3. So right here 3 and eccentricity root 5 by 3. Root 5 by 3. 3 is on 9. 9 2s are 18 here. 18 divided by root of 5. 18 by root 5. Distance between the direct traces. Especially this example is useful for a competitive examination here, CET as well as JEE. Especially this fifth example useful for competitive examination.